and hope. Securing space and hope. Hana, me.
Good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters and guests. I have one question to you. After reading this world-renowned short story, the title, The Last Question, what was the most impressive? In my case, two great things were most impressive too. That is, two great lessons I learned from this book. Now I'll share them with you all today. The first lesson is securing space. As time goes by, the computer was developed into many various names and forms one by one. From firstly multivac to lastly just a simple AC, which means automatic computer, with more and more improvements of its capability as well. For a long time, AC has solved many problems and achieved a lot for humans. Among them, one great thing was the energy of the sun has been able to be used directly on a planet-wide scale. So, all Earth ran by invisible beams of sunpower from only using the limited coal and uranium of Earth. It must have been a really big blessing for man. However, there was AC's one big mistake. Can you guess what it is? It is AC solved the problem of preventing humans' old age and death, which looked like a great blessing to humans at first, but later it turned out to have spoiled AC's all the solutions and achievements. And it was never a blessing. Why? Because humans' population doubled every 10 years due to nobody's dying. So over time, more and more galaxies were filled with humans' population doubled every 10 years. And there was no space for men to live anymore. So they had to move to another new galaxies to secure space for living, using much sunpower units for traveling there every time, continually. And then finally, it ended up the running out of all sunpower energy and the death of all galaxies, all lives, and all humans miserably. It was all disaster and chaos by humans' immortality, humans' greed. Recently, I threw away almost half of my clothes. Why? Because for a long time, I loving clothes too much and buying them too many. Finally resulted in them just being piled up a lot, like just luggages inside my closet and all four closets and many space boxes at home. It made it impossible for me even to arrange them and also even to find any clothes I want to wear. It was all messy. Later, I really realized it was just my greed and my serious addiction and so strong obsession to clothes, never loving clothes. However, I was completely changed this time. How? Listening my big action of throwing away the half of them, breaking all the negative things of my greed, my addiction, and obsession, etc., to clothes, etc., finally gave me one great blessing of securing space in the room and my house, which solved all the problems of arranging them and finding any clothes I want to wear, etc., anytime. but amazing lesson. Do you know what it is? It is securing space. And throwing away and securing space is very important. It's a big blessing for us. Like this, throwing away our humans' lives and securing space for living is also very important. It's a big blessing for us. So never dying is never securing space and never blessing. Do you agree with me? And next, the second lesson is, can you guess what it is? It is, the AC is the last train. AC itself alone asks an answer. He said, only left in the cosmos, where no human was alive. The question was, can entropy ever be reversed? The answer was, let there be light and there was light. What's the message to us? It is hope. All the time. Forever hope. It means never give up. I can do it. And believe in yourself. Let there be light and there was light. Do you remember the two great lessons I learned from this book? First lesson is securing speech. And second lesson, hope. Thank you.
Wow. 1 minute of silence. Can you please measure?
Yeah.